Read and say. Underline the commas in the dialogue.
Hi, Dev. Can I ask you something?
Sure, Tisha. What?
What do you usually have for dinner?
Oh, I usually have beans, rice, and vegetables.
What kind of vegetables?
Cucumbers, carrots, or lettuce.
Do activity A from your textbook.
Language focus. Use of comma. We also use a comma in a list of 3 or more things. Don't put a comma before the last thing in the list. What are your favorite colors? I like green, red, and blue.
Do activity B from your textbook.
There is another use of comma. Let's take a look. What subject do you have? I have math, English, Bangla, science, and art.
Notice the use of comma in here. Comma is also used to separate items in a list. Notice that the last 2 items are joined by and.
Let's see another example.
What do you have in your pencil box?
I have my pencil, eraser, sharpener, and ruler.
There is another use of comma. Let's take a look.
Add commas to the dialogue. Then say the dialogue in pairs. Hi Shanta, how are you? I'm fine, Komal. Shanta, do you like coconuts? Yes, I do. I love them. I like papayas, mangoes, and pineapples too. Oh, I love pineapple juice. Do activity A from your textbook. Let's practice.